Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are battling with hyperpigmentation and you want to brighten your face and you have a dull face, you want a face cream that will give you a beautiful face, a radiant face, and also a brightened face. Today I'm talking about 5 face cream that you can actually go to the store, to your cosmetic store, and pick one. It will go a long way for you. So number 1 is All Kali Turmeric plus Vitamin C face cream. This face cream has 40% turmeric, vitamin C, hyaluronic, and also vitamin E. So this face cream, if you want a face cream that works for anti-aging, you can go for this face cream. It brightens the face, at the same time prevents you from wrinkles and fine lines on your face. Yeah, this is what the face cream does, and it is sold for the price of 3,500 to 4,000 naira. That is the price range of this particular cream. This cream, it is very beautiful. It will brighten your, when I say it will brighten your face. The turmeric and the vitamin C combined together does a very beautiful job on it, and it also moisturizes your face very well. You know, I told you, when you're looking for a face cream, even if it will brighten your face, whiten your face, lighten your face, make sure it will hydrate your skin very well, and this face cream does that. It hydrates the face very well. Number 2 is Garnier vitamin C brightening day cream. It has a nice cream. This particular cream are for those that have dull face. So if you have dull face, your face is not looking bright, it's not looking radiant, go for this particular face cream. It has vitamin C, and all skin type can actually use this face cream. It helps replump your face. You know, your face is dull because your face is not well plumped. So this particular face cream helps to plump your face, hydrate the face, and also brighten the face. This face cream is on a high side, so it's sold for I think the range of 8,000 to 10,000 naira or 15,000. That is the price range of this particular cream. But you're going to love the effects of this particular cream. The third on my list is this Facefact Bright and Clear. I think this face cream has Touch from Touch company. It has also from Dysa company. But this Facefact Bright and Clear, I love this particular one. It is very beautiful. I love the effect of it. I don't like the one from Touch, and the reason why I don't like it is because it's too active, very active. I don't like it. But this particular one from Facefact, I love this particular one I'm talking about. This one is very beautiful. It is mild on the face. It will gently help you to brighten your face. So it works for discoloration, melasma, age spots, sunspot, and also hyperpigmentation on your face. And it's also good for people that are battling with acne and also blemishes. See, once you have acne, and when acne tends to leave, it just leave your face with different colors on your face. That's discoloration. So but this face cream will help you to blend it. But I would advise you use this face cream at night. Yes, it is very good to use this face cream at night. You're going to love the effect of this particular cream. And number 3 is the Facefact Bright and Clear. Number 4 is this Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Day Cream. This particular cream, I love it very well. It has SPF 15, and also it helps to reduce dark spots on your face. It also helps to eliminate premature aging on your face. It is very good. I mean, it's very good. It doesn't really brighten the face, but you are going to see the brightening effect, but not as the All Kali or the Garnier or the Facefact Bright and Clear. But this particular one is very when I mean it's very good, it is very good. It has SPF 15. Not that it's not that much, but at least it is very good that it has at least a little percent of SPF on the face, on the cream. This cream, it is very good, very moisturized. When I mean moisturizing, it is moisturizing. I love the job that Nivea does on did on this particular face cream. I love it very well. So if you are caramel and you are chocolate dark skin, you can go for this Nivea Perfect and Radiant Day Cream. And the last on my list is my favorite. Yes, my favorite, which is the Facefact face cream. That's the face cream I've been using for over going to 2 years now. Yes, I've been using this face cream. I have no regrets using this particular face cream. It comes in hyaluronic, it comes to vitamin C, and it comes with the one that have that controls blemishes. So these are the 3 face cream. This particular 3, I use the 3. Yes, I use the 3. So these are the 3. So what I use this face cream is this particular hyaluronic. This one helps to replump your face. So if you have a dull face, this one will help you to plump your face very well. When I mean very well, it will hydrate your skin all day. all day. When I mean all day, it will hydrate your skin all day. The second one is this vitamin C. This vitamin C helps in brightening your face. I use one at night, every day at night. This one will brighten your face very, very, very well. To brighten your face. So if you are battling with hyperpigmentation and hyperpigmentation and discoloration on your face, this one will help you clear the discoloration on your face. And lastly is this particular Facefact ceramide. This particular one, it has 5 ceramide, niacinamide, and also salicylic acid. So if you are battling with dark spots, if you are battling with blemishes, you can go in with this particular one. These are the 3 Facefact face cream that I'm talking about. This one are very, 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 very good. You saw this face cream I have just mentioned. They are very, very, very good. They are very beautiful. You can get your hands on any one that you see on a cosmetic store. Just pick the one that suits your skin concern, your skin type, and what you actually want this face cream to do. But these 5 face cream I just mentioned, they will brighten your face. When I mean brighten, they will brighten your face very, very, very well. So also comment in the comment section which one you've actually used in the past and the one you want to give a try. Yes, my name is Judith Okori. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up. See you in my next video.